Good afternoon. My name is Astrid Beltran. I am 30 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Suacha, Ciudad Verde. I am a seller. My hobby is listen to music. I live with my husband and my two children. I am studying technology in business and commerce management. My favorite food is pasta. My favorite TV show is CSI. I like soccer. This is daily routine. Every day I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I brush, shave, take a shower. I get dressed. I have my breakfast. After I go to the garden of my daughter. After I take to bus for my work and wait to me an hour. When I arrive at my job, I attend of 20 cleans. When finish my route, I enter the others that meet in the day. I going to pick up my daughter in the garden. Finally arrive at my house. I clean, I make food and attend my family. I do homeworks of my day university. I dinner and after I go to bed. Bye.